Being able to remove or delete workspaces inside of ClickFunnels 2.0 has been a pretty highly or sought after feature for a while now, and it's finally been added to the platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually perform this action in case maybe you have like a repository of workspaces that you didn't necessarily need to create in the beginning, but you did because you thought you had to. Who knows, whatever. Either way, you can go in and actually remove these now, declutter and clean up your working environment. So if we go to settings over here in the left-hand navigation, we'll see that we are brought to our general settings. From here, just scroll down, and at the very bottom of the page, you'll see an option to delete workspace. And that's it. All you have to do is click on this button, and then it'll have you confirm. After that, it's going to wipe out this workspace completely and delete it. Crazy. All right. Anyways, one thing you want to make sure is true before you do this, though, is that all the assets you have inside of this workspace are either taken out. Maybe you have contacts here. If you have any images you would like, make sure to go in and take these out, or remove them first before deleting this, because you won't be able to retrieve anything afterwards. Any funnels, share them to the correct workspace you'd like to work in. Any pages, same thing. Add them to a funnel. From there, share the funnel to your other workspace you are currently working in. That way you don't lose anything that you actually are going to need down the road. If you have any questions on this, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.